So, looking right up ahead is the RKO Theater, and there's a whole history behind this building. Now, so according to the master of all facts, Wikipedia, this RKO Pictures movie theater was designed by architect Thomas W. Lamb and built in 1928. It's using a Spanish Baroque revival style inside, but as you can see, there's just scaffolding after scaffolding, and so it's registered as New York's historic places, and people who perform at this theater include Bob Hope, Jack Benny, Marx Brothers, Judy Garland, Jerry Lewis. Now, I don't know any of these people, but let's just say these people are famous enough for them to have their own Wikipedia page. So, yeah, there's a little undescriptive building. It used to be, I think it used to be bigger than I think. And we crossed this area like on a daily basis, but it's always been looking like this. Now, this theater was closed in 1986 and then partially gutted illegally by the new building owner called Thomas Huan. Must be some Chinese guy, and he was told to restore the building, but I think he never did, and he also never paid for the fines. So I don't know what happened to him, but I think he had to go to jail, but I don't know. Now, this theater also changed hands in 2004, 2010, and 2013, and it's been empty since its closure in 1986. This thing has been like this for almost 30 years, for more than 30 years. And only recently they start to do some work, and it's been like this, and it hasn't changed much. So, yeah, there's a little piece of New York City history of Flushing, and doesn't really look that glorious. Just look up a little bit. Look at that. Been like this for the past 30 years. The only thing that changed with this place is the scaffolding involved. They take the things off, they put the thing back, and then there's some vandalism going on. Some people sneaked in and took a piece out of it, and they put another level of scaffolding around it to deter that. So, and I don't know what's gonna happen.